Hello and welcome, my name is Aleisha and this is Project Vegan. Let's get baking. Today I was struggling to decide what to eat for breakfast, so I decided I want to try to make some granola. It's that simple, but I'm wanting a granola slash muesli, so I'm going to call it Gramuesli. So it's going to take 2 steps. First phase is to make and bake the granola. Then we toast the muesli side and combine it together. So it's like a Gramuesli. Anyway, let's get started. I wanted to see if I could make it gluten-free, because I know oats are gluten-free, or uncontaminated oats are gluten-free. So we're gonna start by making some oat flour. Alright, that's pretty fine, pretty happy with that, so. I'm thinking walnuts. They're pretty crushed up at the bottom of the bag, so I'll just break up the bigger pieces and use these. Right, and then I'm going to add in a couple of tablespoons of tricolored quinoa. We'll just start with a couple tablespoons of flour too. 1, 2 pumpkin seeds in there. And then sweetener, I'm using Nut Brothers vegan honey. 1, 2 of them. A little bit of vanilla. And I'm gonna melt some coconut oil. So my plan here is to put the fruit in with the muesli side of things. So this is just like a crunchy cluster. That's what I'm going for. So it's about 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm gonna mix this together. And I need some more flour. A little bit more. Okay, so you want it to be at a point where if you were to press it together, it would stick together, but it doesn't necessarily stick together on its own. You want to spread it out onto a tray, and then break it up a little bit so you've got big clumps. So you don't want it to be completely broken up, but you also don't want it to be one big piece. This is what my tray looks like. I'm going to chuck it in the oven on fan grill, or grill, for about, at 200 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes. I'm going to keep an eye on it all the time because it's sugar and it's just going to burn. Be careful. I ended up grilling granola twice. The first time after it came out of the oven, I just used a wooden spoon and I moved it around a little bit so that the bottoms weren't completely white. And then I grilled it again, and this is what I've come up with. These big clumps of tasty granola. And it tastes really good too. I probably had a little bit more sugar, but great start. We're going to set this aside and start on the muesli side. I want to use some sultanas. Dates. I'm going to use dates as well. Seems like a good amount, and I'm just going to slice them. I know you can't see on this side, but on this side I have just a tray, a baking tray with the silicone mat. Chuck my dates on there. So we're going to add in some more pumpkin seeds. Sprinkle some of them on there. Some almonds. That amount looks pretty good to me. Handful of almonds, halved, also a handful of sultanas, some shaved coconut, sliced apricots, and lastly the star of the show, oats. This is what it looks like. I'm just going to use a wooden spoon and mix it around a little bit. And I'm just going to do the same thing. Grill it for 5 minutes to toast them. Give it another mix with my wooden spoon. Grill it for another 5 minutes. Let everything cool completely. Add it all together and show you our final product. And just like that, we're all done. I will show you. The granola is now completely cooled, but the muesli is not fully. So we've got the granola in the front here, and this is how the muesli turned out. Mine's a little bit golden on the edges. If you don't like yours that golden, don't leave them for that long. But I'm gonna package it anyway. So we're going to tip these in like that. Mix it around. You can use either the spatula or your fingers. Now I've got a Gramuesli, which looks really good. Yum! I can't wait till tomorrow morning when I have this for breakfast. I've got this cute little jar here. probably a bit more effective way to do this, but I'm just gonna scoop with my hand. That is my muesli, or Gramuesli. I'm gonna take the lid off, but like that. Ready to enjoy, and we'll keep for probably a few weeks. So don't have to eat it every single day. I hope you've enjoyed. I hope you try making muesli of your own. You can literally throw anything you want. If you don't like apricots, omit them. If you don't like, if you like some other type of dry fruit, feel free to throw that in there. If you want to follow me on my baking journey and learn some more very simple vegan easy recipes, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. Like this video if you've learned something new and if you like this video, and comment down below what you think I should do next or what you want to see next. Until then, peace.